Today, we're adding some light to our set with the help of our new DIY 15-foot rope light. It comes shipped to your door with just about everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you have your manual and warranty, hardware, an end cap, and your 15-foot twisted hemp rope light. I'm hanging this up in the barn, so I drilled out some holes in the rafters and screwed in the hanging hooks. Then, I rested the rope light along the hooks to get an idea of how it lays. Then, I screwed in a fire flicker bulb. Turn on the rocker switch and watch the set come alive with dancing and flickering light. The gentle sway of the rope light and the flickering of the light really makes an interesting scene. I can easily move it around and reposition the light and add a unique tone to my videos. Then, when I found where I wanted it, I put in the locking hooks and fed the rope light through. Since your light is also a rope, you can knot it up in artistic ways and shorten the length of your rope light. Or you can wrap it around a pole or wood beam to show off your artsy side and highlight your new rope light even more. This allows you to express yourself the way that you'd like. For me, that fire flicker bulb hanging from a swinging rope light is just too cool. Now of course, you can put in standard bulbs and get a nice steady light, or put in color changing bulbs, whatever you want. You can even use the end cap to screw down your own shades and customize your rope light even more. The options are endless. So if you're looking for a fun new light that you can customize and will still bring that vintage look, then this light might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go watch my light swing in the barn. I really do love the way it looks. See ya.